Start by selecting your group of garage sconces in the app. Now, tap the little cube icon in the bottom right corner. This brings up your preset patterns, including the flame option. You should see a variety of built-in patterns like flame and lightning. Lightning is great for Halloween. It's intense, so use it sparingly. You can press and hold any pattern to open the Edit menu. Tap Edit to see exactly how that pattern is built. In this example, the pattern transitions from red to turquoise to blue in a jump effect. You can change colors, transition type, jump, gradient, etc. Duration for each color. If this all feels a bit overwhelming, no stress. You can explore as you go. Let's clean it up and build a simple red, white, and blue jump pattern. First, remove all colors until only 2 remain. Tap the first one. Set it to red, then tap Close. Tap the second. Set it to white, then tap Close. Tap the plus button to add a third color. Set it to blue, then Close. Make sure the pattern type is set to jump, not gradient. If the transition feels slow or inconsistent, it's likely due to the duration settings. Go ahead and tap on each color one at a time and set the duration for each one to 1 second. That way, every color shows up for the same amount of time and the pattern stays nice and even. Just make sure you've got that 1 second timing locked in before moving on to the next color. Once you're done, tap the Save button and enter the name for the scene. Tap the plus button and try the Candlelight preset. Adjust the color closer to orange for a more realistic flicker. You can also adjust brightness, flicker speed with the rocket icon, flicker intensity, strong or weak. As you tweak, you'll see the flame effect change in real time. Once you like it, rename it to Candlelight and save. Tap on Candlelight again to activate it. This effect is perfect for garage sconces or cozy setups. The flame category is fully customizable, so feel free to explore. Now scroll down to the pre-built patterns section. These are preset patterns for holidays and themes. You can't edit these, but they're great for quick use. You can also select them when creating smart schedules. That's it.